Fresh Mornings.
The new 92.5 Fresh FM.
Hey, it's Pat from Fresh Mornings on the new 92.5 Fresh FM. Dishwasher cooking. Yeah, it's a thing. People apparently do it for saving energy and in the summer months to not use the oven. You know how the oven kind of heats up the whole house, makes everything hot? Well, with the dishwasher, you don't have those same problems. And apparently dishwasher cooking works well enough that allegedly you can put a roast in there. So today, we're cooking this with this. Alright, it's the moment of truth. The dishwasher is done, the dishes are clean, and hopefully our roast is done as well. Let's see. Well, it smells delicious, but yeah, I wouldn't be eating that. Looks like we're gonna have to actually cook it. Some things you just gotta do the old-fashioned way.
Fresh Mornings.
The new 92.5 Fresh FM.